Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Today we are going to talk about the expected NEET PG 2022 exam date. You might be thinking why we are talking about next year exam date when we have not even started with the counseling process for NEET PG 2021. See, it's very much relevant to talk about NEET PG 2022 exam date due to many reasons. Okay, the first and foremost reason is we have received one notification on netboard, that is a NB website. Okay, and let me show you the official notification which got published on NB website. As you can see on the screen, the notification came regarding conduct of NEET MDS 2022 examination, and it says due to delay in the counseling process, the conduct of NEET MDS 2022 for admission to academic session 2022-23 has been deferred with concurrence of Dental Counseling of India. Point number 3, NEET MDS 2021 has now tentatively been scheduled for 4th of June 2022. Earlier, as per the notice published as on date of 23rd July 2021, 3 months back, they announced the tentative schedule of conduct of NEET MDS 2022 examination on 19th of December 2021. Okay, so this is the notice. You can download it from netboard.edu.in. Now let's talk about the complete story from the beginning. Last year on 31st of December 2020, we got the result declared for NEET MDS, and since 31st of December 2020, now is month of October, so 10 months, more than 10 months is already passed, and you see two rounds of NEET MDS counseling got completed. Still one round is yet to get conducted, and meanwhile we got this OBC and EWS reservation rule to get implemented from the current session. So NEET MDS process, admission process is pending from long time. Due to that, they are deferring the date of examination for NEET MDS 2022, and they are tentatively scheduling the examination date on 4th of June 2022 next year. We have been talking about the NEET PG examination for the next session to happen in month of April or in month of May. But now how this notice is going to impact the tentative date or expected date for NEET PG 2022 session. There are other factors why it's right time to talk about the examination date for next session. This year we have seen the cutoff mark which was expected to come around 240, 245, 250. It has come for general category 302, so 50 marks more than expected. And due to that reason, many candidates who expected their marks to be coming around 400 or 350, or they expected to just qualify, they couldn't qualify. Okay, and even after cutoff revision, the candidate will qualify. The cutoff revision is expected to happen after second round of counseling, which will at least take 1.5 months from now, and you can expect it to happen by like mid of December. And you have like not many months remaining before the conduct of examination for the next session. So there are two mindset. One is to get admission in this year itself, but in case you have no good score, then you need to go for management quota seat, or the seat where the tuition fee is very high. If you don't have that much budget, then definitely you may be planning to go for next year, continue with the counseling process. If you get something good in your bracket, then go for it. Otherwise you keep planning and go for next session, because it is not going to happen after 1 year, but in very less time. So it's very genuine point to discuss about this matter, that when is the expected date for NEET PG 2022. As we have seen, the same counseling authority or the same examination body will conduct the examination for NEET MDS as well as NEET PG, that is NBE, National Board of Examination. So that body is conducting. They have just announced the tentative date, that is 4th of June. And we had seen from last few years that counseling process for NEET MDS and NEET PG gets conducted in parallel. This year there is so much of delay in NEET PG and NEET MDS counseling process. So there is expectation that by almost same date, or we can have like further delay in the conduct of NEET PG 2022, 15 or like 20 or 1 month further delay compared to the tentative date for NEET MGS. So we are expecting kind of by mid of June, or by like starting of July, we can expect to get NEET PG 2022 exam conducted as per the notice. When we are trying to relate NEET PG 2022 exam and NEET MDS 2022 exam, because same examination authority will conduct both the examinations, and since they are planning to conduct in month of June, in the beginning of June, so NEET PG counseling will get further delayed, and they have completed 2 rounds of counseling already, and NEET PG counseling has not even started. Is the next hearing is on 20th. So somehow if we start in the like beginning of November, or by mid of November, then still we have like 1 or 1.5 month further delay compared to NEET MDS. By the time NEET MDS is complete, and by the time NEET PG 2021 counseling process complete, there will be gap of 1 to 2 months minimum. Okay, so we can expect this counseling, the examination body, to give similar amount of time for the candidates to prepare for the next session. If the counseling is completing by end of like December or mid of Jan, then they must give some good amount of time for the candidates who couldn't get a seat to prepare for the next session and get a good score. So we are expecting that examination will be conducted by like July or mid of June for NEET PG 2020. Is just our expectation based on our analysis, based on like last few year trends and other factors, that I'm telling you that by 2022 month of June or July, you can expect the NEET PG 2022 examination to get conducted. Okay, so accordingly you can if you want to go for next session, because next session examination will be carried out on the same pattern as on 2021, and in 2023 we will have next pattern. The pattern will change very there will be very much of very much difference in the pattern of examination. So you have 1 year of time. In that duration you prepare and get good score. Already we have got like 1.5 year, and there was so much of disturbance also. Due to that, many candidates couldn't continue with their like preparation, and they got some kind of disturbance in the preparation and couldn't get the good score finally. So it's the right time for you to decide whether you want to go for this year or next year. Even you are doing the counseling process, participate in the counseling process, but you have like a very close preparation, because INI-CET examination is also scheduled on in the month of November, mid of November. So many of the candidates are preparing for INI-CET. So you need to keep up like your if you're going for next session, you need to have like a good preparation sync. Okay, then only you can expect good score next time. So you need to plan properly how much focus you need to give on the counseling and how much focus you need to give on examination, so that you balance both of them. And if you have like some chance to get your dream branch in all your defined parameters, government, private, deemed, DNB, diploma, CPS, whatever counseling process, because it will go on for long time. And if you just wait and then after decision, if you don't get a proper seat and then you decide to prepare for next examination for 2022, you will left with less amount of time. So it's the right time you take the decision and you start with your preparation. and parallelly you go with the counseling process. In case you feel that it's difficult to manage both the things, you can hire some counselor, good counselor. We also give from NEET Mentor counseling, paid counseling services, so that you have to put little effort uh, on the day of registration and on the day of choice preference. Just you need to take like 2 hours, 3 hours, and your job will be done. Rest thing will be taken care of as, so that you give full focus on the examination. That's also an approach. So we are here to suggest you how to solve your problem, and you are the one who will take the decision. So with this I'm going to end this video, and we will meet again with some further update on the counseling process whenever we get any kind of new registration open for any state or all India, or any update about the Supreme Court decision or anything related to NEET PG 2022. So thanks for watching and have a great day.